When I first started practicing, T. Hurley Jordan was the head public defender, and Bob Ravitz was the first assistant. There was only a few people in the office at that time.
Local attorney Al Hoke says he not only worked with Bob Ravitz for several years, but Bob was also a friend. He says Bob was the foundation for many careers in the field of law.
He gave probably more than half of the criminal defense attorneys in the state their first job when they were interns or just out of school.
But there was another side to Bob Ravitz, a side that valued education.
He was a great criminal defense attorney, but primarily he was also a teacher.
Hoke says there are many benchmarks in Bob's career, but there's one that stands out when he made an appearance before the U.S. Supreme Court in the case of Cooper versus Oklahoma in 1996.
That found Oklahoma's way of dealing with incompetent people to be unconstitutional. And it was a 9-0 decision. That's almost unheard of from the U.S. Supreme Court.
Governor Stitt even tweeted about Bob this afternoon, saying, quote, "I'm deeply saddened to learn Bob Ravitz, the longtime chief public defender of Oklahoma County, has passed away. He was a fighter for each client, a fierce advocate for responsible criminal justice reform, and a true Oklahoman. Bob's family and friends are in my prayers." But his commitment to law here in Oklahoma was obvious. He wasn't afraid to tell state lawmakers his concerns at the state capitol.
He was out there quite often to the legislature explaining to them why certain laws would be a disaster, or why Oklahoma needed to reform its criminal law statutes.
Bob Ravitz served as the public defender in Oklahoma dating back to 1987.